You tweak one small thing in After Effects, hit the spacebar, and your laptop sounds like it's about to take off. Two things push people to look around: a monthly bill that never stops, and the wait. Even simple work makes the app crawl. And a lot of motion work just doesn't need After Effects anymore. Social clips, UI motion, short branded pieces, other tools do these faster. Start with the free ones. DaVinci Resolve now has Fusion built-in edit, color, and node-based compositing in one app. Blender is free too, and fierce. If your work leans 3D or procedural, its geometry nodes can replace whole After Effects pipelines. Natron is a focused, nuke-style compositor. If you mostly key and stack plates, it feels familiar, and it asks little of your system. On the paid side, Apple Motion is fast. Real-time playback, no waiting, great for titles and lower thirds, especially with Final Cut. Blackmagic Fusion Studio is serious node compositing. For heavy effects and cleanup, it feels sturdier than After Effects. PowerDirector and Filmora go the other way, templates and presets. For quick social and promo clips, that's often all you need. And Jitter runs right in your browser. No install, no fans spinning, perfect for UI motion and clean text animation. Watch the fakes though. Video editors, template platforms, and iTools all look close until you need real timing and control. So pick by your work, not by hype. Motion graphics, go light. Compositing or effects, go node-based. Heavy 3D, Blender. But here's the quiet truth. Often it's not the tool that's slow. It's your machine, and After Effects is brutal on weak hardware. So skip that limit. On Vagon, you run these tools on a real cloud GPU. After Effects, Resolve, Fusion, Blender, the same apps, without your laptop as the bottleneck. Jump in from any browser, pick a machine, and your cloud computer boots in seconds. Install DaVinci Resolve or Blender in one click, or add anything else yourself. Your projects and media stay in the cloud with Vagon files, ready in every session. This is Vagon Cloud Computer, a real GPU workstation right in your browser. Create a Vagon account and scale your power only when you need it.